Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen. And you guys, it is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So this year, you guys, I set out to do a keto friendly Thanksgiving meal, and I did all the research early on. Right after Labor Day, I started putting together those dishes, and I am happy to report that the plan that I put into effect has come together, and in a few seconds I will show you guys my Thanksgiving keto friendly table. I tell you, it looks amazing, it smells amazing, and because you guys, I'm a cook, I already tasted some of that stuff and it is fantastic. It tastes amazing as well. So I am gonna roll the footage to show you what everything looks like, but I want to come to you today to wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving. My husband and I are going to get into this food. We are going to probably binge watch on some holiday movies, put together some Christmas decorations. I'm going to start planning what I'm going to bring to you guys for the month of December, being that we are still in holiday season, but we are going to make it our own kind of special, and I encourage you guys to do exactly the same. So thank you, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I love you all, and I will see you real soon. Stay tuned, and I will show you what this fabulous Thanksgiving table looks like.